Thanks for joining us on our YouTube channel. Today, we wanted to talk about a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately, the future of work. Specifically, we wanted to discuss 10 jobs that are predicted to be gone within the next 10 years. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos. See the links in the description box below if you are also interested in making money online. Now, before we get started, we want to stress that this isn't meant to be a doom and gloom kind of video. It's important to stay informed about industry trends and changes, but it's also important to remember that the world of work is constantly evolving. With the right mindset and a willingness to adapt and learn new skills, you can set yourself up for success, no matter what the future holds. Okay, with that said, let's get into it. Telemarketer. You know those annoying calls you get from someone trying to sell you something? Yeah, those might not be a thing for much longer. With the rise of automation and AI, it's possible that telemarketers will become a thing of the past. Bank teller. With more and more people turning to online banking, the need for bank tellers may decrease. While you'll still need human help for certain tasks, like opening an account or applying for a loan, a lot of the transactions that used to require a trip to the bank can now be done from your phone or computer. Cashier. Have you noticed more and more stores offering self-checkout kiosks lately? It's not just a coincidence. With the rise of mobile payment options and automation, the need for cashiers may decrease. Travel agent. Remember the days when you had to go to a brick-and-mortar travel agency to book a vacation? Yeah, those days might be coming to an end. With the proliferation of online booking websites, the role of a travel agent may become less necessary. Post office worker. The use of physical mail has been on the decline for a while now, thanks to the rise of email and other digital communication methods. As a result, the demand for jobs at post offices may decrease. Newspaper delivery person. Along the same lines, the shift to digital media has led to a decrease in the demand for newspaper delivery. While some people still enjoy the experience of reading a physical newspaper, the majority of people get their news online these days. Librarian. Now, before you get too worried, we want to make it clear that librarians aren't going away completely. However, the role may shift to focus more on technology and less on physical books. With the increasing amount of information available online, librarians may need to be more adept at helping people navigate the digital landscape. Data entry clerk. Data entry can be a tedious and time-consuming task, but it's an important one for businesses. However, as AI and automation become more advanced, it's possible that these tasks will be handled by machines rather than human workers. Manufacturing worker. The use of robots and automation in manufacturing is nothing new, but it's likely to increase in the coming years. While it's true that manufacturing jobs can be high-paying and provide a sense of accomplishment, it's important to be aware that these positions may become less available in the future. Taxi driver. With the rise of ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft and the increasing development of self-driving cars, the demand for human taxi drivers may decrease. These are just a few examples of jobs that may be gone within the next decade. It's important to stay current on industry trends and be open to learning new skills in order to stay competitive in the job market. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more informative videos.